Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a really exciting car product for you guys. So basically in this video I'm going to be showing you the $8 courtesy door lights which I got from China. I mean, the great part is this product doesn't require any kind of wiring whatsoever. All it needs is some AAA batteries, and I think that is the most important part. So the way it really works is whenever you are going to open the door of your car, it's going to display the logo. So I got these for Mitsubishi for mine, but you can buy these for Hondas, Toyotas or any other car. So the installation process is really nice and simple, and the product works really good, especially for the price you are paying. I think it's a bargain. So anyways, getting into the installation part. So one thing that is really important is this product does run on batteries. So in total you are going to need 6 AAA batteries for the both of the doors, the driver side and the passenger side. Each unit is going to take 3 AAA batteries. So the thing you want to do is you want to install like the projector unit on the door itself, and you want to install the magnet inside the car where the projector is going to close or it's going to meet. So the way you are going to do is, first I tried installing this projector in the middle of the door, in the end of the door, but the place where it was the best for me was the start of the door, so I decided to place it there. So you can basically install it using the 3M tape which is included inside the box, but my truck has this velcro kind of material on the door card which is really rare, to be honest, so due to which I had to use super glue. I really hate using super glue on the door card or any other place because it just destroys it, but since the 3M tape wasn't strong enough to grab this velcro or this cloth kind of material, so I really had to use some super glue in order to make sure it's really nice and tight. So once you have placed the projector in the correct position, make sure it's not too high, too above, because then the magnets won't work and it's going to not turn off whenever you are going to close the door. And make sure whenever you are going to mount it, the logo displays really nicely. You can really use the power button on the top in order to turn it on manually. So once you have install the projector itself, all you have to do is just close the door and see where the projector meets the inside of the car, and there is the place where you want to mark and you want to place the magnet. So you can basically use a marker in order to mark and then put super glue, but the way I did was kind of hack. I really closed the door and I just placed the magnet where I could see the projector going off, and I basically kept holding the magnet with my left hand as I opened the super glue with my right hand, and I put 2 drops. You can use a 3M tape if you like, but since these magnets are really the main part of the deal, if you really miss these magnets, the projector won't turn off and it won't work anymore. So I decided to use the super glue in order to make sure it's really nice and tight. You don't have to use too much super glue. I think 2 drops of super glue are going to be more than enough. So all you have to do is just make sure that the magnet does align with the projector or the sensor of the projector really nicely. If it's going to be off by even a little bit, it's not going to turn off the projector. So during the installation process, one thing you want to keep a note of is the magnets does meet the sensor properly. When the projector is not going to go off, it's going to basically drain the batteries. So I think for under $8 this product is really good. Don't go with the unboxing or the unit itself. I know it's kind of flimsy, but the projector works really good. I will say it for another 3-4 weeks. If it keeps working like this, I'm going to install 2 more units in the back doors because I think it looks super cool, and since it doesn't require any kind of wiring, which is another point I really love, because the truck which I put it on doesn't have any kind of door light, so doing the wiring job was a really big hassle, because most of these projectors out there do need wiring, do need current inside the car in order to work. So with these you pretty much need some AAA batteries, and that's about it. So anyways, if you like to buy this product, I will put the link in the description. You can buy this for any of the car brand out there. They are available for Hondas, Toyotas, Mercedes and BMWs and so much more. So anyways, with that being said, if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.